I'm going to show you guys what I invested in for the year 2023 to start my content creation journey. And first of all, if you don't know, I sell glasses. I have a page where I sell glasses, Gigi accessories. I'm going to put it on the screen. Please patronize your girl in case you need blue light ray glasses. For those of us that use screen all the time, if you're a YouTuber, automatically you're always on the screen editing and all of that. Blue light ray glasses will help you. In case you need it, don't forget to hit me on IG. I'm going to link the name of the page in my description. But yeah, I got the gadgets I'm going to be using for my product photography. Yeah, because I have to take like really nice pictures and post them on my page. The first thing I got for my brand Gigi accessories is this frame. Ta-da! I'm going to be using this to take some pictures, and that's why I got this frame. So the second frame, so guys, I got this frame that I really liked. Like, bro, I love this frame so much. And yep. Let me say, in the last 6 months, prayer has changed my life so much. God has been so faithful. God has saved me from a lot of things. And when I thought about making a frame, I couldn't think about any other thing but this. Pray about everything. And I'm just going to use this medium to say, if there's anything you need in this life, if there's anything you're seeking for in this life, prayer is the key. Prayer is the key. Prayer is the key. Prayer is the master key. Yeah, I'm just so excited about this frame. I really love this frame. I'm going to put this frame somewhere here. Yeah, this is where I intend to put it, even though the problem right now is that I don't want to put a nail on this wall, so I'm looking for alternative, the best way to do it. But yeah, I'm going to find a way to put it there. The two frames, I got them from Framed It For You on Instagram. I'll put her handle here. So if you're in Port Harcourt, she is swift. She is sweet. There's a difference between swift and sweet. She's very reliable. First of all, I reached out to her speedily. She was responding immediately. She started doing the job immediately. She's processing it. She gives you time and she comes at the time. Even when she did the frame, I complained about something on this particular one, and she was very patient to listen and do the corrections and all of that. So in case you need frame, you're in Port Harcourt, I'm talking to those in Port Harcourt because there's no need of running around when the people that will do it are here for you. Framed It For You, she's on IG. Just hit her up and you get your frame. There are a lot of sizes, very affordable, very affordable. Okay, so back on product photography, I also got this flower. Oh my god, it's so cute. This flower is so cute. See the gold tip. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. See, can you see? It's so cute. Even though it's not a fresh flower like it's artificial, but I really like it. It's sweet. So for the sake of this video, let me just keep it here for now. I'm going to be using that to take pictures as well. And then I got this wallpaper also for my product photography. I'm going to be placing it and then taking pictures. That is that when it comes to my brand Gigi accessories. I'm putting it out here in case if you need anything like that, you have an idea. For the wallpaper and this flower, and then a whole lot of other things I got from Marvis collection on IG. She's also in Port Harcourt. Like when it comes to gadgets, I like to walk in because they've done me a lot of things on this street, on the street of, in fact, online business people. They've done me a lot of things, so most times I like to walk in and see what I'm buying and pay for it. The first thing I got for my YouTube channel is this mic I'm using. So it's actually a double mic. It's double mic. I bought the two for, there's one down inside, there's actually one down inside and there's one up here, so I'm using the two at the same time because why not? I have the two, so I should give you guys quality sound. Anyway, it's two. I bought the two because in case I have someone to film with, the person will also have a mic. That's why I got the two. The next thing that I bought is my light. I'm currently using the light to film. You can even see the reflection from my eyeglass. Wait, let me show you guys the light I had before. Come. So this was the light I had before. This is my ring light. It's currently plugged. That's the light I had before that I was using. The 12-inch ring light. I've been using it for more than a year now. Yeah, and then I decided to buy the LED. So in case the light is too bright, you can cover it with this shade. So the light is extremely bright, like too bright. So this is just like something to dim the light if you feel it's too bright. Of course, for me it was too bright, it was seriously entering my eyes, so I have to fix this here. It actually have two of these. It's really nice, like this light is giving everything. So this is my ring light that I was using before that I talked about. Yeah, so it came with two batteries. And yes, Marvis collection gifted me this car holder. So in case you're driving and you need a car holder to film, instead of your phone shaking on the dashboard, you can just get this. It's very affordable. She gifted me this actually. And yeah, that is everything for the gadgets. Anyway guys, that should be the end of this video. I just wanted to show you guys the gadgets that I got for the new year. I'm just trying to get myself together with this content creation thing and do my best. But yeah, thank you guys so much for sticking around and following me. This year we're going to do so much, but I didn't come here to make promises and say I'll do this, I'll do that, I'll do no, but your support is going to motivate me to actually do more. And yeah, I can't wait to see all we have this year. And on this note, I'm still going to say that if you have any questions on relationship, this is February, this is the month of love. If you have any question about relationship, you can ask me. I've been married for 4 years, okay? So I have like little idea. I mean, I have like one or two to offer when it comes to advice for relationship, marriage, and sex. Yes, let's talk about sex, okay? Yes, bring it on. Bring your questions if you have any question. And yeah, this month let's talk about love and all that good stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any question, ask in the comment section. You can also send your questions on my IG, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys. No be hype, everybody they crush. There's no darling when I